In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and delete breaks from the shifts on your schedule. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected, otherwise you won't be able to work with any schedules. Then click on Schedules. When your list of schedules comes up, click on the schedule you would like to work with. Then choose Shifts on your new menu bar. You should arrive at a list of shifts for this schedule. First, you need to select the shifts you'd like to add breaks to. You could click on them individually like this. I'm going to go ahead and choose Select All. Then I'm going to click on Tools and choose to create breaks. Once you arrive at your Create Breaks section, you'll need to decide how long the break is. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 15 minutes. Then choose when the break can start. Is it every quarter hour or every half hour, and so on. I'm going to leave it at every quarter hour. Next is the minimum shift length someone needs to work in order to earn a break. I like the 4 hours, so I'm going to leave that one. You'll also need a buffer zone for how early or late into the shift this break can occur. Then go ahead and adjust the minimum head count percentage and the minimum head count per time slot. I'm going to change this one to 0 because I don't have a lot of people scheduled to work the same station at the same time. If I want these settings to come up the next time I click on Auto Breaks, I can check this box, and now these settings will be saved. If I change my mind and I don't want to add these breaks, I can choose Close. I do want to add these breaks, so I'm going to click Execute. And now those breaks have been added. Notice there's a little green 28 letting me know that 28 shifts have had breaks added to them. If I want to add breaks using a different set of parameters, I could do so now. I don't, so I'm going to go ahead and choose Close to exit out of this menu. And that's how you can add breaks en masse or one at a time. If I wanted to clear all breaks and start from scratch, I could select all again, then choose Update and select Clear Breaks. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure that you do want to do that. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now all of the breaks from all of the shifts have been cleared away. And that's how you can add and delete breaks, both individually and en masse. If I'd only clicked on one of those shifts, only one of the shifts would have been affected. To learn how to edit, delete, copy, and move shifts en masse, check out the next video.